Good morning, Lasky. My name is Caitlyn, and today is Thursday, December 13th. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God.
Today's lunch choices are cheesy breadsticks, cheese pizza, and the grab and go. And your sides are salad, juice, and milk.
Yu-Gi-Oh! And Pokemon card clubs this Thursday. You must bring your own deck of cards to participate. We will continue to meet every other Thursday in room 20.
Come listen to our Mulaski guitar students tonight as they show off their musical talent in their winter holiday concert. Free admission to the concert, and it starts at 6 p.m. in the Mulaski gym. So grab your family and friends and come enjoy a night of music.
This week is Spirit Week. Show your school spirit and dress up for each of the Spirit Days. Go to Mulaski.org homepage to view this slide of all the dress-up days.
Students, you can only purchase new IDs before first period. We are no longer selling them throughout the day. So when you get on campus, you must come to the registrar's office and get your ID right away. Teachers, please do not send students to the office to get a student ID after the first period bell has rung. You will just give them their citation for the day and remind them to get it tomorrow before school.
If you're interested in creating, designing, recording, and editing your own announcements, you should join MVP. We meet every day before school at 7 a.m.
If you would like to apply for next year's MVP, go to Mulaski.org to complete the application.
Thank you for tuning in today's MVP. Have a great day.